Hi friends, in this video I would like to show you about Microsoft Word, and in this Microsoft Word I would like to show you how to use all the tools in Microsoft Word effectively. Dek belum sira ia video idane how hakarak atau hatudu imi konaba Microsoft Word. Iha Microsoft Word idane atau hatudu oinsa atau usa sabe importante ho efetivo iha home tab or Microsoft Word. Okay, we are going to learn all the tools in home tab. If you guys willing to develop your computer skills, please watch this video until the end. Karek belum sira iha inisiativo atau desenvolve e minha experiência com a computador. Favor ida acompanhe video idane to remata. Hi friends, before you begin this video, please don't miss or forget to subscribe, share, likes, and comment about this video. Okay, this is the Microsoft Word. Idane mak tebol dengan Microsoft Word. Open or lock. Okay, this is Microsoft Word. Today we are going to learn about this home tab. Ohin lor ita tu aprende konaba home tab idane. Okay, program idane. Okay, we need to type something here so that you can see the difference. Ita persija type lifam balu ihane iha papers ne A4 papers ne atau ne ita bele hatenenya diferencia. Okay, or these are the words. Now see the difference. Okay, first we are going to learn about the letters style. Okay, letter styles, demo letranya modelo. Okay, modelo idan be mak kolega sira costa which style you love it. For example, you love this style. Okay, then you please okay, yes, I love this style. And the next, makes the letter in big or increase the letter. See here, make the letters big. See, hello letter both. Okay, see, depend what okay, depend on you, depend it about sira. Correct. Maybe iha official documentus nabe mak official. Biasa ama usa 12. In the official document they use this 12. Okay, they use the letters signs until 12. They click. Okay, now we are going to learn about here we call increase font size. Okay, increase, see, increase. Okay, see here, decrease. Okay, decrease font size. Okay, decrease, decrease. Okay, increase. Okay, now we are going to learn this one, change case. Now this one is the big letters. Now I'm going to change the letters. Okay, change case. When I see here, for example, only the first letter will be big. only the letra pertama dit mak bot. Okay, idane ki ikotu. Are idane ki ikotu. Are kidane atau letra both if this one all big. Okay, see. Each of the words will capitalize. Capitalize means both. Okay. Okay. This one also the same. Yeah. Only the first letters will capital letter. Okay. I want only the first letter to be capital letter. See, only the first. All the first letter all capital. See here. A, C, A. Okay. What? For example, this W is capital letter. Okay. Now we are going to learn about this. For example, I put the colors so that you can see the different. The color by here letter na para ibibel natin niya difference. Okay, how we can clear all the formatting. Okay, ita uhin amen usat na letra style, halo letra bold or decrease. When here how click niya by here normal. When I click here, it's normal again. See, everything is normal. Okay, see, this is capital letters. Right? When I click here, it will be normal automatically. When here how click niya normal automatica. Okay, yeah. Now we are going to learn about this. Okay, bullet means the letters. For example, here this one is the top point. Okay, this is the importance point of management. Okay, ida nemak these are the points. Ida share nemak point atau ita ya biasanya emang usa when here ia point na emang usa bullet share na symbol share na. Okay, depende bullet ida nemak colega share costa. Example, for example, okay, sample I love it. I love this symbol, so I take it. Okay, if I love another, so take it. Okay, this is numbering. It's the same. This is bullet and this is number. For example, what kind of number do we want? For example, you love this number, this style. Okay, okay, put. Okay, all this. Okay, see. Okay, now we are going to learn about this. Okay, decrease in that. Okay, decrease in that. See, decrease in that. Okay, decrease in that. This one, increase in that. Aumenta ba oin, duduk ba oin, ba kutub. Okay, now we are going to learn about this. Let's make it the letters ball. Okay, click here. Now ball. Okay, then halo letra mahar. Okay, italic. Halo make the letters unstraight. Halo letra mirin. Alright. Yeah. This is called underline. Usa underline. Okay. Garis ia letranya of course. None of them. Okay. Asai fali. For example, karak gosta idane mak underline. Okay, put underline here. Strict through Idane biasa mauza ya letra nebemak point ida nebemak la importante point ida nebemak salah yang biasa usa sana. Okay, point one salah atau la usa yang biasa usa hodi ida ne hodi. Okay. Okay, ida ne yang biasa usa kona ba data sera. Okay, exemplo hene. On the second, okay, on the second of January. I always use this one. Select this one. CH and click it here. Okay, see. Now see. Hare. Okay. When here at click letter, you buy a letter here. Yeah. Select all. This one is the text effect. Okay, text effect. See. Hare. Text effect. Okay. Let effect. Oh, with this one highlight. Okay, text highlight color. Example. This point is important for you, and you can put highlight. Okay. To take out here. Now color. Okay. Select all. Put the color, latest color. Okay. See which color you want the pen. For example, you love this color. Okay. Okay, now we are going to learn about this. Okay. A light left here. Center means make it in the middle center. Yeah, put in the middle. See. Side. Now I select all and you see. For example, this one. See. Yeah. Select center so that it's in middle. Okay. Now the paragraph. Okay. Called paragraph. This one. Jarak. Okay. Line and paragraph spacing. Line. Okay. Click. See. The pen. For example, you love this. And you can click OK. Oh, this one. Yeah. Put the background color. Okay. And now color. Okay, this one is the most important. Take out this underline and we are going to use this underline. See? Or we can use here. this one here, this one, and here. Oh, none of them. Don't need to use all. And use this one, underline button folder. Okay, click here. Normal biasa mau dan button folder. This point make it big, maybe, and make it bold. And one more important thing is here, this normally people use this one also. It's just their latest. I can click here, the pen. Clear style. Yeah. Normally use this one normally. Style make. Okay, style, which letter, which style do you love it? I love this style, for example. Now I love this style, make it 10, 12, official number, decrease, increase, decrease. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Today we learn about home tab, so that's all.